Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a base layout using the Autumn Mood weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints in my Recollections vertical. If you want to see the details on what is in this kit and close-ups and all that, make sure to check out my haul down below, as well as all the other things that will be linked down below, all the fun stuff, what pen I use, and all the little accessories and whatnot that I use, or tools. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of this video. guys, this is the final layout. Let me just zoom you out a little bit. This is the final base layout. I'll show you what I have left for the Plan With Me. That's just specifically from this kit. I have all of my functional icons because obviously I'm going to use that during the Plan With Me. And then all of these. I used a few of these, as you can see, glitter headers and one piece of washi. Some headers. Day covers I used most of the full boxes and everything on this page as well. So that's what I'm going to be working with next video, which is the Plan With Me, which I plan on filming tomorrow. Today is currently Tuesday the 6th, my mom's birthday, and I plan on doing it tomorrow, the Plan With Me. Yeah, so I will see you guys in a couple of days when this goes up. It will be currently Friday, October 17th. Only 14 days left until Halloween, or 2 weeks. And yeah, so I will see you guys on Monday with a new video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notifications every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video.